Morning friends, today I am going to teach you how to create login page using HTML and CSS. This is my HTML code I have written already. Div inside div and form tag, div inside input tag and icon. Okay, I need to style this. I have imported here style3.css. This is general CSS, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Okay, then fine. We will style body first. Font family. This display flex. Justify content center. Justify content center. Align item center. It means all horizontally and vertically it's center. That is the meaning of that. Is fine, right? Minimum height 100. Vertical height. That means VH. I'm adding background color for that. Linear gradient. Oh, 135 degrees. You can add any color. Okay, what you want. I'm adding this one. Body is okay. Okay, background color and all center. Got it right? Then dot this one. Dot login container class name is there na. I have to style this login container. Display flex. Justify content center. Align item center. Width of that div. It means that div width it is asking. Like this. This one more div is there inside. I will show you guys this one. This is main div, this is sub div, and this is form container. Okay. Login box. I'm adding some background color for login box, that is white. See this content, entire white box is there, that is login box container. Okay, padding 40 pixel. I will show the output also. Now the space is coming. This is what padding I am adding the here, padding 40 pixel, right? That's border radius 10 pixel, width 350 pixel, text align center. border radius added, width 350 pixel and text align center. This is fine, right? Just simply here h2 tag is there for login, right? Take that element selector, margin bottom 20 pixel, font size 25, 23 pixel, let it be 25, 23. Okay, this dot input box position relative margin bottom 20 pixel, input box right dot material icons position absolute dot 6 pixel, left 0 color show the output like this. This is material icons style. Okay, let it be. Come here, input box dot material icons style is over. Here text that input I need to style dot input box input input. Okay, width 100 percentage, padding 10 pixel, padding 10 pixel is top right, top bottom left and right, it means. Let us see the okay. Now border none, border only I need border only at bottom side, that is why border bottom 2 pixel solid. Okay, if I click on here, it is border is coming. I wanted to remove that. How? Outline, sorry guys, outline none. Let us add font size 15 pixel. See, it is fine, right? Dot forgot password, text align. See guys, text align center left right start. Let us give start. It will come like this. Okay, Let us give end. It will come like this. Let us give right. Okay, like this. Margin bottom 20 pixel. Dot login. See guys, here it is fine. I need to remove this line, right? Dot forgot password. A text decoration none. It means this line is gone, right? I need to style this login button. For that, dot login btn width 100%, padding 10 pixel, background I have already. This only I will copy paste it here. This is fine. Color white, border none, border radius 5 pixel, font size 16 pixel, cursor pointer means this. If I over here somewhere, if I over in login button, end will come. That is cursor pointer. Margin top 20 pixel, gap dot account anchor tag text decoration none. Okay guys, this is complete login page CSS video. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Keep on learning guys. Good day. Bye bye.